Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boys, Frogan Reactions here. My name's Logan.
My name's Francesco.
And in today's video, we are going to be unboxing this thing.
Beautiful iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's do this, baby.
Here we go.
All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana fresh cut.
Let's get into this
Rip it off.
cardboard box. Awesome. Oh, there it is. We'll toss that.
The iPhone Pro.
Let's see the box. Oh yeah, let's put it down. The peels off. Good. This is the tamper-proof peel, so we know that it's not been tampered with.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds.
Wow. Ready for ASMR?
We got the charger, which we're not going to open.
Check for those Apple stickers. See if they're purple. Oh, you can see the notch. Or sorry, the dynamic island. My mistake. Let's see if you can see that on camera. Can you see if I turn it in the light?
Okay. We got the...
I don't know if you can see that. It's there. Now we're going to turn this thing on.
Okay. We got these things. Obviously, they come with everything. We got the seal from Canada.
Wow, look at that.
Okay.
Those are massive.
Is it purple? Ready?
Look at that.
Is it purple? We're about to find out.
Oh, come on, Apple. Really? What are you doing? I'm paying this much money and I'm getting this. Last year, weren't they blue or something? Or was that just the iMac? I don't remember. I have to check again. Oh, and there we go. See how it just... Shut it off and you can see in the light. See in the light how they're two separate cutouts? I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah, I can.
And then when you turn it on, it's one cutout. It's the dynamic island. Would you like to go on vacation to the dynamic island?
I wouldn't, unless they make it an actual place and free to go.
We traveled to we moved to Dynamic Island last week in our recap. Check that out here. I'm gonna sign into the Wi-Fi network. That's clean. And you can touch that too, and it registers touch, but obviously not right now because we're in the setup process. So. But you'll see once we turn it on, I'll show you. If you're coming from a 13 Pro Max, keep your phone, save your money. Unless you're an enthusiast, an Apple sheep, and you don't care and you have all the money in the world, then be my guest. But if you don't, then if you're coming from an 11 Pro Max or maybe a 12 Pro Max, maybe you get the upgrade. 13, really? Unless you want dynamic island and some camera upgrades, why? It's not even that fast of a difference. We're not going to use a passcode. Nope. We're not going to transfer data, but I'm going to have to sign into my Apple ID because some reason I have to. Setup is boring, but the tests are going to be fun. We're going to be going outside to test out this phone, put it up against the 14. We're going to put this phone up against the 13 Pro Max to see if you should upgrade or not. We're also going to compare this just for fun because I thought, why not? Compared to our DSLR 90D, this is just minor comparisons, but we'll see how. Why did it get so dim? Oh, it turned off. Continue. Here we go. Set up cellular later. We don't need to do cellular because this is not going to be my new phone. No for Siri, no for analytics, emergency SOS, just like in our 14 unboxing, same thing. And welcome to the iPhone. Now, let's take a look at that dynamic island. How can I demo it for you? Oh, we can do a voice recording. That's the simplest way without making this complicated. So if I hit record, and if I close the app, as you can see, it's now on the dynamic island. If I click that, it goes to the app. If I click and hold, it shows the recording, which is very nice. And we can just click on that and stop that there. Thank you, bye-bye. Have a nice day. Also, the always on display, I'm gonna go to the lock screen, as you can see, and when I shut it off, oh yeah, it's always on. Very nice phone, I like it, but we're going to get into our in-depth test now. Don't forget to check out those videos up here in the link in the description down below as well. That's been our video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more unboxing like this 14 Pro Max. And we hope you enjoyed it, and stick around for all our covers on the 14.
Peace out.
Up, down, up, down, up, down. It's always on.